So today on my platter, I have a huge bowl of oxtails. I'm gonna name this bowl a oxtail boil. I have potato, egg, corn, some big onions, and some juicy oxtail, guys. I'm super excited to dive into this. But first, let me do my birthday shout out. Birthday shout out goes to Tiffany Rose, Esme Fannell, Eric Smith, Rashawn, Danielle. You guys are an awesome supporter of my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much. Happy birthday. So today, guys, to be honest, I'm a little bit down. I really wanted to share my weekend with y'all, but I got a bit of bad news from my supervisor that my fellow co-worker passed away at 4 p.m. on Tuesday. Nikia. Oh my goodness. My heart goes out to her family and her friends. But I know Nikia for taking her alcohol, honey. Yes. She's a girl who always live it up. So, rest in peace, Nikia. Woo! Woo! I feel that one. Whew. So where should I start with this oxtail, guys? Back or front? Back or front, guys? We know it's got from front to back. But for these oxtails, I'm gonna keep the pretty ones at the front for y'all and dip to the back, yeah? Let me fix my clothes first. Ooh, this tastes good. This bite is for y'all, okay? When the oxtail made out the bone, you know it's good. Yo, was that Chrissy? I love to eat oxtail. I mean, you know what? Let me give you guys a whole bowl of oxtail. Mukbang. See this how that is? Woo! Woo. My question is, can I eat it all tonight? Woo. Let's bite. It just melts away in my mouth. Just melt away. Most have been asking me, Chrissy, where you purchase the oxtails from? I'm in Philadelphia, so I purchased them from the H Mart store in Upper Darby. Clean the bone, baby. Clean the bone. No bone going turn this time. I do have some potato. Okay. All the goodness ain't going to waste today. So onions, bell peppers. You are with a Chris with the volcano there. Hey. Ooh. Let's bite. Wow. The butter beans. Excuse my messy plate, guys. Woo. It is so good. Why tonight? All this I read madness. Woo. Woo, look at the corn. Woo. This bowl is deep. Bell pepper. Juice everywhere. Break with the break. Break. Woo. So guys, yeah, Mm. Well, one more bite and I talk to y'all. One more bite and I talk to you guys. Yes. Let's bite. This is it. This is it. Mm. Mm. Woo. Listen to me. Seafood and oxtails are my favorite. Yes, it is. And fried fish. Mm-hmm. Mm. So, Nikia, I used to work at Nikia for about 3 years. You know, she's really fun. She's a Taurus, just as me. But were we close as friends or as co-worker? We were close as co-worker. We were really close. We talk and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? We relate to stuff. It's so crazy how we cry when a loved one pass away. Or we want to cherish them when they're on earth. It's sad. I'm saying, always cherish your loved ones. Because when they pass away, that's it. They can't hear you. It doesn't matter what you do. If you cry, you pay for the casket and all those stuff. The most expensive flowers put on them graveside, they're not going to know that you did that. You know what I'm saying? Just always cherish your loved ones. Don't wait until they pass away, man. Just say, oh, I miss you. You know what I'm saying? Or, I love when you do this. I love when you do that. Tell them no when they're alive. You know what I'm saying? I remember a couple years ago. I'm a very stubborn person. If y'all know a Taurus, that's the bull. Very stubborn. You understand me? And my aunt rubbed me the wrong way. I thought I was about 14 years old. My aunt rubbed me the wrong way. My mom used to leave me at her house on the weekend while she go to church. And my aunt said something, she said some words to me and I like it, and I told my mom about it. And my mom said, it's okay, I'm going to start bringing you to church with me on a Saturday. So, something happened, my aunt went to the hospital. She asked my mom, you know, bring Christina come look for me, you know. I'm not quite sure how long I have, you know. So my mother told me about it, that, you know, that my auntie's asking for me. And I need to go see her. I said, oh, after she don't tell me that, I'm not going to see my auntie. No, I'm not. Listen, man, and my mother chat, I said, Tina, go look for your auntie. Tina, go look for your auntie. I said, oh, now go look for her. And that's how I think I still have that in me. I'm not quite sure why. Once I'm done, I'm done. There's no turning back for me. You know what I'm saying? So my auntie passed away. My auntie passed away. And see her in the casket. I remember kneeling down at her graveside and crying. I'm not quite sure what I said at the time, but I know I was really, really crying. I was shaking. Like, I'm like, oh my goodness, my auntie passed. I'm gonna tell her I said I love her. You know what I'm saying? I think I forgave my auntie, but I don't think I come to forgiving myself not to go see her. You know what I'm saying? It was rough, man. For days I cried. For days I cried. And my mom said, me tell you, go look for your auntie, no, you're ball. I'm really, really stubborn, man. Really, really stubborn. But to be honest, I think I kind of regret a little bit because with my husband, once we argue about something or we have a disagreement about something, we don't hold it. By the next 5 minutes, we talk about it and we're done. We don't go to bed upset with each other. We don't sleep in separate beds. You know what I'm saying? We don't do all those stuff. We just simply work it out and that's it. It's rough, man. When your loved one pass away, it's really, really rough. You're not gonna feel it until they really pass away. Like if me didn't know, I would have done this better. If me didn't know, I wanted you to forgive me. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. So cherish your loved ones when they're on earth. When you can see them physically, talk to them, touch them, forgive them. You know what I'm saying? Because when them gone. There's no turning back. You feel me? My husband and I, we don't wait for occasion to say I love you or occasion to give roses. I told y'all I love roses. I love burnt orange. And Valentine's Day, my husband got me burnt orange roses and also red roses. Am I saying? I understand, how I don't like red roses, but I just don't. I just think it's just, roses. But burnt orange is my favorite. So guys, we can cherish your loved ones. Forgive them. Tell them I love them. Buy stuff for them. Just move on. And I'm saying? But yeah, I really wanted to tell you guys about my weekend, what I had with my girlfriends and stuff like that. But I really feel down today. Nikia. Nikia and I had the same taste. You were like, oh my god, Chris, your husband got it for Christmas. What hamburger your husband got it for Christmas? Because my husband, every single year since I've been here, my husband make it his duty. I don't know why. He gets me, don't judge me, please, after this. He gets me a designer bag every single year. He gets me a Hugs and also a jacket. Every single year, my husband make sure that he get me those 3 things. And as I said, I've been here 6 years. I just think that you have to cherish your loved ones, guys. Just cherish them. Show that you care. Don't be upset for too long. Don't go into different rooms. Don't, you know what I'm saying? You guys can be mad, but for how long? You know what I'm saying? Just cherish your loved ones, man. I just hope that Nikia family find some peace. It's gonna be rough right now. It's gonna be really, really rough right now. But I just hope that they find peace. I just hold on to her memories. Because that's all there is right now. So guys, I'm not lie, me talk about oxtail tonight and me talk about things. Me talk about things tonight. I'm gonna give 2 shout out for tonight. And also a bite. Rashawn Daniel, it's your birthday. I hope you enjoyed your day. Thank you so much for always being here. And also Anne Rosalian, thank you for always being here as well. And thank you to all my subscribers who always show up, always comment on my content. That's always show me mad love. I thank you guys so much. You understand me? And I'm going to give a bye to Miss Belle. Okay? Miss Belle. Ooh, even I'm full. I'm going to give her a bite. A big bite, big spell. Okay? Oh, I'm gonna eat the cat with it. Before I leave, I have to eat the egg. You girl could see. It is good. Let me give her a bite and then head out. And also, Asia Cooking Food Review, he also did a oxtail boil as well. Yes, he did. So I'm gonna give a bite to Alexandra Bell. Okay, one bite I'm gone. You understand me? Cause the girl is full. So yes, so. That's it. That's it. I need to go feed my nails too. They're overdue, to be honest. But I'm gonna leave you guys. We have 3 more oxtail left back. 3. You're gonna get on bad tonight. So guys, thank you for always being here. As I said, and show me mad love. Okay? As I always say, take care, be safe, bye bye.